As he did every day, Jonathan Warburton buttered his toast and waited for a knock on the door.
Mr. Warburton,
But the only thing knocking on this day was history, and only the velvet symphony of my voice could do it justice. You see, 150 years ago, Ellen Warburton baked a single loaf of bread, and from that humble loaf, an empire would rise. That's a play on words. But I'm not playing when I say this. The Warburtons are obsessed with bread.
bread sauce.
You could say bread is in their blood, but I wouldn't, because that would be kind of weird. An obsession driving them to boldly go where no baker had gone before.
It's one small wolf for man.
One giant leap for bread kind.
White bread, seeded bread, crumpets, toasty, wholemeal. Hold up. What the hell's a crumpet?
It's a sort of delicious round baked thing with holes.
Like a bagel?
More holes.
How many?
About 300.
You Warburtons are crazy. Now, where was I? 80s montage. One family, one dream. The dream of big orange lorries as far as the eye can see. Look, there's one. 6 generations, each handing on to the next. Because it is not the worshiping of the ashes, but the passing on of the fire that counts. The next 150 years, who knows? But rest assured,
There'll always be a Warburton behind this desk.
hey, that's my line.